Such a pretty day and an exciting day, and I'm going to share it with you. I got a car. There it is. Got a few dings on it, but hell, we don't care. Okay. We're going to paint that hood, right? Oh my goodness. I'm loving it. Look at that filthy seat.
Needs a little work. Well, middle ground work.
Nice. Or can we make one?
We can.
Because we can cut. This is rough. Did it drive okay?
Yeah. I need a top off tray for I figured you'd have a headache with them headlights.
Yeah. Yes.
That's the thing, you should quit thinking it.
We're going to have to definitely sand those puppies down. I need a new fender put on, dude.
Or I could give you some body hammers and you might figure out you're good at something.
Nah, I'm good.
I don't normally pay attention to the shit that's up there, but something's
Really, because I didn't even know what it was. Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, I cannot wait.
Like, I don't distinguish anymore.
Okay, so this car was going to be crushed. And you guys figured out that it ran good. And you thought your mom needed it.
Yeah, what she said.
just like something made me look at it.
Do what?
I said something just made me look over and pay attention to it.
Something made you look over and pay attention?
On the west side,
It's your project car.
project car, guinea pig.
Project.
Goodness gracious.
Steers and handles good, so that's what counts. Yeah, she's dirty. She's literally off the load of forks fresh.
Oh, it started. Sounds nice.